Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change this background color in Android Studio. So you can also change the font style and font size also. So go to the file and click on this settings and now click on this color scheme. By default it is in white color, it means in default. So let me change this to dark color. Then click on apply and click on say yes and click on OK. Now you got this background color is in black. And to make this background color in contrast, just click on this file and click on settings and click on color scheme. I'm going to change this to high contrast and click on apply, then OK. So now you can see it is increased to contrast color. So similarly go to settings and font. Okay, so by default it is in cancelas. So let me change this. You can see below this there are different styles of font. You can also change the font size. Let me give 25. So see the font size have increased. Click on apply and then OK. So now you can see very clearly. So you can also give line spacing between these words. Click on this font and see this is line spacing. Let me increase to 15. You can see more space in the line. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe and like.